Smart Recycling Company Limited is our location today. I'm going to take you through the process where they recycle rubbers, our waste plastic to create or form rubbers takeaways where sellers used to serve us. You understand? Boss, good morning.
Morning, no boss.
Please, what's your name?
No, Atete.
Today, we want to learn something from you people. How you people recycle the waste management, the waste rubbers over there to create the takeaway rubbers we see in town. So that's why. So first of all, how do you people get the waste materials? How do you people get the waste materials?
Okay, we go through the town and buy with gallons and rubber boats and things, so that if we bring it to the factory, we get a machine that is grinding those kind of materials. Whilst then we send it from that place through to recycle, where we have been recycle them. From there, then go to blowing, where we blow them, turn them into plastic rubber before we come and finish it at the cutting side.
How do you people process this?
Yeah, omodi buy you wash omo.
You wash rubbers.
Yeah, pick omo different your gallons, your bottles, your different kind of this kind of create and things, or yes, select will be different. Through that, you know, we now wash it fini now. As an audible machine background, you know, through ground, you know, as an audible recycle, eco recycle, and obenyano into material form, and now audible road.
I didn't know we were beside wash.
And so washing if you know woman, everything I say machine about, and I be my rubber no any effect.
Rubbers no, maybe you're not black. Yeah, moody the big count of the color be and chemical big counts, and because rubbers may be a white, it be a yellow, it be a green, but maybe you're black.
Okay, Nina mono, and yes, I had the color being a fan color. You work material be a friend black this thing. Any water material na ye di missy. And to the missy, I know the man rubber na I black color.
Won't say rubbers no, yeah, another doctor say there be any boomer. It was side effect. Oh, you need to
Oh, me through me, son, man, me say me menjidi. Because the Indian na say over your unit. Oh, your unita. Ya lebi anewa ebepa. Ebe di be mau. But say unyo unit ya. Edia no ye ni ye kra no uka say unyo unita. Ba me so be yare. Ti the Indian say over your unit na wa hwe wusu yi. Sa na tie. Cause free da. Robert Juma we ya na ye use.
It's the first process, no say anything.
First process no they call recycle. They omodi waste no by the washi we na they call grinding. Nyamo mutu in pieces. Asana they call recycle.
Second
process na recycle no. From recycle no and I call blowing side.
This one is the second to the last, because after finishing here, you can see it has been made to the roll. So from here to the cutting machine, that is where it cuts the teeth into pieces, the sizes that we want it in the market. So this one is almost the second to the last. Yes. This one makes the material and they put in the blowers. The blowers will make the product like this. And you can see the roll. So it will make the roll. And this one will go to the last finishing end. Yes. So you see.
So I'm here with one of the operators who is also going to take us through some field process. What's your name?
My name is Shiba Abdullah Hafiz.
Okay. Happy Ramadan. So before we get some products like this, what are some of the stages we put?
Okay. The seaters will hit for top, go down for top, then we'll make it, we'll give you that ceiling. From there, you go out the machine, they move now. Then you understand what I'm saying. With the clip go the back. Then we get the punching side. That's where you get the handle. If the punching side no step, we get blades for handle. They will give you the handle.
But before we get some design like this, how you put the design and where you get shape, where you define like something like this? How you how to do the machine?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is why we call the handle side that. Okay. So when the clipper take the rubber go, like if you watch the video, you will see say there's something for under where you go come down, then you sit down for the rubber. So with that thing, we get some small blades we under. That will give you that design. The blade, that's how we design the blade.
So if they place it down, you cut, then you get this design.
Sometimes if you go buy something, you see the rubber is too light, too light. But people be complaining. The rubber way they get tico, and the rubber way they are there. Why? Sometimes you go through a lot. Why if it happen?
Okay, sometimes too, the blowing side, it depends on the material. Where at times the material that will come, times not a hard drink crack. Then so it depends on the blowing side, and at times too, management are always they are always upgrading things. See, because the material that you're using, the more the thickness of the rubber, that means you are using or you are losing a lot of this material.
I think people are keeping Ghana clean because instead of leaving the rubbers outside to be better, people are keeping Ghana clean.
Yeah. As you can see, I think if you go the yard inside, that's the crushing part. You can see that there are a lot of plastic rubbers there. Then now, I think you yourself can, and the viewers can tell that okay, we are really doing something. Not only our production, but we are keeping the country too.
Well, first, whenever you are walking, you see rubbers around, bottles and all that. You can see now those things are all going.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you. My name is Ali.
How did this company all start? How do you start this company?
Okay. The company, in the name of Almighty Allah, the Magnificent, the Merciful. You know, the company started as a very little company because with the ambition of the managing director, he all started with this as buying of this plastic waste bowls and things, and buying them and selling them to those who crash them and recycle them. So bit by bit, little by little, when he buy them, then they will come and buy it from him. So as time goes, now he started growing because he's someone with a very good engineering background.
So he's an engineer.
He's an engineer, very typical engineer and fabricator.
Wow.
So he decided that okay, then he should fabricate the crusher because the main work is for him to crush the material. When you crush the material, then you have them more in a truck to supply to the company. So he fabricated the crusher, and the crusher started crushing. After the crushing, then he supplied it to the company. Then he decided that okay, he should find a way to acquire the recycling material. And in fact, it was because at that time it was a very difficult thing to do, but with confidence in him and his determination, he tried as much as possible to get the machine for the recycling, and he started recycling, and the recycling too started. And most of the time the recycling machine, he didn't buy it as a new machine for you to start recycling at a go, because he has the engineering background. Whatever maintenance he will do on it, along the line, see that okay, if possible, I can get the take-away machine, the cutting machine, the blower and the cutting. Then maybe I can start cutting it small. So there are some companies that have collapsed. So he bought the machines from them.
From the company.
So they are not new machines, little by little. And he was able to couple all the machines down.
I see a lot of women working. Did it start with most of them, or they later came?
The women here, in fact, if I were to give you the number of women or even the men who are working in this company, they are more than 300.
Hey.
Yes, there are those who work and go, and mostly, you see, most of these students, when they are either, especially the SS students, when they are on vacation, they will come and seek for help. Okay. They will come and seek for job, maybe for them to pass through those holidays. After the holidays, then they go back. Oh. And even though he has workers, he will still employ them, and he will be paying them. Okay. When their time reach, then they will go back to their working place.
So, but now it seems people are gathering all the rubbers and using it to manufacture.
There are those who are going around buying them. When they buy, they are the one even doing the much of the work, because they will go around to pick them.
But people see them as junkies because they go through town, and people have been classified them as junkies.
And you see, there are different type of people. There are normal people who really do
the picking and this thing. And there are those you can't say that they are not there. There are those who take drugs and they do those stuff. Yes, we know them. It is not something hidden. That is how they are. They will go around and pick them, they come and sell it. And there are normal people.
So do you people get some aid from government? Maybe you people should take this to support your business? Or?
Not at all.
Oh really?
Not at all. See that this company is almost like a charity organization, because if I was to narrate to you number of people that the director is helping through this company, you will not imagine that we are working. For even the assembly to come and even prepare the road for us to even have very good access to the area, for the even smoothness of the running of the company and even the environment. For assuming you have some company running in Ashaiman like this, because I know in Ashaiman, I don't know how many company you will find like this running. No. Yes. But for the environment to be even be recognized, there's something good is running like he did it.
So you don't depend on anyone.
You don't depend on anyone. Yes.
What was the name of your company?
Smart Plastic Recycling Company Limited.
Or the location?
You can be located Fitter Line, Ashaiman, Fitter Line.
Please give your company number, so in case someone wants to partnership with the company, want to link you to do business or something like that.
So number 0244 666 324. I'll take the number again. 0244 666 324.
That's the manager himself.
Himself in contact. So if maybe you are in need, maybe is there